Raisin B. Palacios.
And I'm Crystal Shoko. This is the Tuesday edition of
UK News.
Livestock Schmallenberg virus hit 74 farms in England, which has caused birth defects and miscarriages in livestock animals. Here is Micah Bagares for more details.
Schmallenberg infection has caused late abortions and birth deformities in newborn goats, cattle, and sheep. It has also caused mild to moderate symptoms in adult cattle that includes reduced milk yield and diarrhea. The virus is thought to be spread by midges, mosquitoes, and ticks that first emerged in the Netherlands and Germany last year. In England, the disease has now been identified on the Isle of Wight and Wiltshire. This is in addition to farms in Norfolk, Suffolk, Essex, Kent, East, and West Sussex, Hertfordshire, Surrey, Hampshire, and Cornwall, which have previously identified cases. This has been Micah Bagares for the report. Back to the studio.
Schmallenberg virus prompts farmers to be vigilant after this new animal illness. Here's Ryan Carter for the details.
I am here today to interview a farmer, Ms. Divina Wilson, about the Schmallenberg virus. How did you know if you start getting infected by the said virus?
The easiest way of telling if you've got it is if you start getting defected lambs with bad joints or stillborn sheep of color.
Is there any guidelines to prevent this disease?
It is very difficult and there is no guidelines to work with based on what have been done on previous events, and if you find out that it is deformed, you would be wondering whether the disease have come or not.
Is there any demand could mean that the price of lamb could rise for shoppers?
As Mr. Stacker said, that if livestock numbers fell steeply, the dynamic of supply and the demand could rise for shoppers.
Thank you, ma'am. This has been Ryan Carter reporting.
More of this news. Here we have Mr. Daniel Patterson, the spokesman of Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs. Live, Mr. Patterson.
Yes, Risa.
Sir, how can one tell that your lamb, goat or sheep caught the Schmallenberg virus?
The way of telling if your livestock animal is starting to get the virus is that it is bad joint or stillborn and sheep of color. If you saw the symptoms, you should bring it to the department and report.
Are there any effects of this virus to the humans?
Well, there is a low risk to public health and no report of this virus affecting humans has come. So there is none.
What will happen next? Will it be rampant or decrease?
Everyone in the livestock industry has been expecting the number of cases of Schmallenberg will slightly increase as lambing and calving began to gather pace. If livestock numbers fell steeply, then the supply and demand could mean that the lamb could rise for sure.
Lastly, sir, what can you tell to the public?
Especially to the farmers, be careful and watch over your animals, and we are urging INDODEPRA, the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control, says the likely Schmallenberg virus would cause disease.
Thank you, Mr. Patterson, spokesman of DEPRA.
Thank you.
Good morning, United Kingdom. I am Tashana K. Laxton, your CCTV UK News Trivia buddy. For the past few weeks, a virus that greatly affected livestock animals in England has been a trend. But what is the Schmallenberg virus? Let's find out. Schmallenberg virus is the informal name given to an orthogonia virus related to Chimonda virus, which has been given a formal name as of January 2012, initially reported in November 2011 to cause fetal congenital malformations and stillbirth in cattle, sheep, and goats. It appears to be transmitted by midgets, which are likely to have been most active in causing the infection in the northern hemisphere summer and autumn of 2011, with animals subsequently giving birth from late 2011. The virus is named after Schmallenberg in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany, from where the first definitive sample was derived. This has been Tashana K. Laxton for the CCTV UK News Trivia.
That is the latest news for this morning. This has been Raisin Palacios.
And Crystal Shoko. Till tomorrow, this is
CCTV UK News. Goodbye.